Come on. We give God all the glory. We give God all. So do me a favor. Tomorrow, if you know somebody that has physical pain in their body, I like to when I do my activation, I do it practically. We pray for them, because the best example is by example. You know, that's the best. That's how Jesus did it. And so if you or you know somebody that has physical pain, or there's some kind of illness, bring him tomorrow. Or if you have young people that want to be used by God, our biggest numbers we have is with our young people. Is with our young people. God can use any age group, but from experience, the biggest numbers we have is with our teenage young people. So I encourage you, tomorrow is going to be a powerful activation service in the morning. So physical pain and you want to be used by God, come. It's going to be mighty.